Hi there. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a classic French braid in your hair. This elegant style is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a casual day out or a special event. Before we begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools at hand. You'll need a brush or comb to detangle your hair, and a hair elastic to secure the braid. You can also use bobby pins if you need to keep any loose strands in place. Step 1. Brush your hair to remove any tangles and make sure it's smooth. Then, divide your hair into 3 sections at the top of your head. Hold the right section with your right hand, the left section with your left hand, and let the middle section hang free. Step 2. Start the braid by crossing the right section over the middle section. Then, cross the left section over the middle section. This is the basic pattern for a French braid. Step 3. As you continue braiding, add in more hair from each side to the outer sections before you cross them over the middle. Take a small section of hair from the right side and add it to the right section of your braid. Then, cross the right section over the middle section as before. Step 4. Repeat the same process on the left side. Take a small section of hair from the left side and add it to the left section of your braid. Then, cross the left section over the middle section. Step 5. Keep adding in hair from both sides as you braid down your hair. Make sure to keep the sections of hair that you add in small and equal on each side. This will help create a neat and even braid. Step 6. Continue braiding until you reach the nape of your neck. Then, braid the remaining length of your hair without adding in any more sections like this. Step 7. Secure the end of your braid with a hair elastic. You can also use bobby pins to keep any loose strands in place. Congratulations! You've just created a beautiful French braid. With a little practice, you'll be able to master this style in no time.